Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. I am Miss Mevish, your Islamiyat teacher. Today we are going to complete exercise of unit number 14. So before starting the exercise, let's have a recap of unit number 14, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, part 3. Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, spent the happiest days of his life in the desert. So he was returned to his mother Amina at the age of 5 or so, but she also died before the end of the year when he was only 6 years old. So Muhammad, peace be upon him, thus lost both his father and mother. He was an orphan, so he was therefore now cared for by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. But he also passed away 2 years later when he was only 8 years old. His grandfather also died. So then he was put in the care of his uncle named Abu Talib. So Abu Talib was not a rich man. He had his own children, his own family to feed, and he had to work hard. Muhammad, peace be upon him, also worked hard, and he looked after his animals. And while tending sheep, he think about the nature. He look at the sky and the setting of the sun and the twinkling of the star. So he thought deeply of that. Muhammad, peace be upon him, was quite different from others around him, and he spoke only when necessary. So in these three parts we have done the life history of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now let's move to the exercise. Book, page number 30, exercise B. Choose the right word to finish each sentence. Choose the right word to finish each sentence. The given words are necessary, flock, 9, 8, and thought deeply. So, number 1, when Muhammad's grandfather died, he, peace be upon him, was only dash years old. How old he was? He was only, 8 years old. Number 2, Muhammad, peace be upon him, tended the dash. Our Prophet tended the flock of sheep. So while tending the sheep, next one is while tending the sheep, Muhammad, peace be upon him, dash. So what will come here? Muhammad, peace be upon him, thought deeply. So next, fourth one is Muhammad, peace be upon him, spoke only when necessary. Muhammad, peace be upon him, spoke only when necessary. So the next question you are going to write it in your notebooks, okay? So match the following. Question number 3, match the following. Column A, part A, Muhammad, peace be upon him, looked after. B, Abu Talib was. C, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, spoke only. And D, Abu Talib was. Column B, first option, not a rich man. Number 2, the animals. Number 3, Muhammad's, peace be upon him, uncle. And last one is when necessary. So column A, part A, Muhammad, peace be upon him, looked after. He looked after, the animals. Our Prophet looked after the animals of his uncle. B, Abu Talib was. Abu Talib was. Abu Talib was not a rich man. C, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, spoke only when when necessary. So C is when necessary. And the last one is Abu Talib was. He was our Prophet's uncle. He was our Prophet's uncle. So you're going to write it in your notebooks and the previous one in your book, page number 30. So do the reading practice, to watch the video thoroughly, to understand it. We'll meet you in the next class with new unit, inshallah. Till then, take a lot care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.